This is my soap. I will cut it. I'll cut the portion that I want to use for my toilet freshener. So I'll add a tablespoon of salt. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video I want to prepare toilet freshener. So toilet freshener will keep your toilet smells good, to keep it refreshing. It will have a nice smell when you enter your toilet. So watch this video till the end if you want your toilet to smell good and see the magic I'm going to do. Okay, so I'll use this soap for my toilet freshener. I'll use soap, toothpaste and salt. So you can use any soap of your choice. I am using Eva soap. I will cut it. I'll cut the portion that I want to use for my toilet freshener. And then this is my grater. I'll grate the soap. So guys, I'm done grating the soap. So now I'll add my salt. So I'll add a tablespoon of salt. And then I will add my toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. And then I will mix it. So this salt will help to kill bacteria. It will get rid of bacteria and kill if there's some worm in your toilet. The salt will kill the worm and other insects that may enter your toilet. So I'll mix it very well. I love the fragrance already. So when you are done mixing, this is foil. I have already cut my foil into the shape that I want. So I'll place little portion here. So now I will wrap it. Wrap it like this. So after wrapping like this, you have to look for sharp objects. Use sharp object to puncture like this. So I'm using my knife. You can use needle or nail to puncture like this. Okay, so this is how to prepare toilet freshener. So now I will show you guys how to use it in one of my toilets. So let's go. So this is where you will place it. You have to open here. I don't know how this is called. And then this is my toilet freshener. I will place it in the water and then cover it. So it will stay there, and whenever you flush like this, it will give a very nice fragrance. So guys, that is how you can place the toilet freshener in your toilet to have a nice fragrance whenever you flush your toilet. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Mwah. Thank you.